see what about the text functions. Suppose we want to find some characters within a text or within something we want to search, like a finding and searching. Very big paragraph is there, the particular word I want to find within the things, or within one particular letter I want to search. Here you can see, I want to find is a function name, find within a text. What is my within a text? My text, what I want to find, f, comma, within a text, with this text, I am saying with this text, comma, E8. What is my starting position is 4. Starting position 4 means f is available in 3 also, but starting position is what? 4. 4 also f is there. So that's why I am giving 4 here. Next one, starting position giving is optional only. So find, I am finding O, double quotes, give O. Where I want to find, which text I want to find? The text I want to find here, rows. It is case sensitive. Try to understand case sensitive. So second position O is available. There is no need. If I am not giving, it will start with initial position from the letter 1. If I am not giving position, you see here. Here I given position is for 4. If you are not giving, by default it will go to the first position. You see here, next one. Next one, what is the next one? Find. It is case sensitive, I told you. No, you see here. Capital O I will give. As per rows, there is no capital O. I am finding here. It won't give the result. You see here. It will come. Clear or not? It is case sensitive. Fine. All text functions are case sensitive. I want to compare two text. So this is also case sensitive. You see here. Exact. The function name is called what? Exact. Exact. This comma this text. It will return boolean value, true or false. This is both of similar words but case sensitive. So first letter only similar, all others are not similar. That way it will come what? False. Can you see? Another, next also false. Next also false. Because suppose I will change number 1 to 3. It becomes clear or not? This is case sensitive. It will compare letter by letter. Next one is called equal. What is different between equal and similar? It will check the word only. It is not checking the case sensitiveness. So there is no function. It is. You see here. E20, that is E20 equal to F20. Correct? That's what I'm true. Both are equal. Suppose I will say instead of Oman, I'll say OOMAN. By mistake I'll type. It becomes clear or not? It is not seeing maybe Oman. I will type O is smaller. No problem. It never bother about case sensitiveness. There is no formula. Just to give the equal sign. Next one, not equal to. Next one is what? Not equal to. Oman equal to or not. So I will give like this, equal E21. Not equal to sign is like this. Not equal to sign, this one. False. Both are equal. It is false saying. Suppose I am saying Oman instead of Oman, I will say another one O. Now it is the same. Correct, not equal. Both are not equal. Just double O is there. This is. So what are the function we studied? Find function and then exact function. And next one is called length function. How many length? Length. I want to say length of musket. How many length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many characters are available in a musket? Right? What's all? Musket. 6. The same way. So what is the length? Len, length. I want to find length. Clear? This is what my next question. Next one you see, repeat the character. I want to repeat the same character. What I will do? Repeat. This is called REPT, not full. REPT, repeat. Repeat what character I want to text, which character? Double quotes. Always if you want to give, you would give in the double quotes. Otherwise, you should select the cell. For example, this if you are giving, I want to repeat how many times? I want to repeat 2 times or 3 times, whatever, 2 times. So I will say 2 times is coming. Clear or not? 2 times means 2 times. For example, 4 times it is given. So I make 4. Next one is 2 times. Maybe you can type Y. Otherwise, what we can type is repeat. You can see here, repeat. Another one method also there. Select only this. If you are selecting cell, there is no need of double quotes, comma, 2 times. Y. Here you see, this is the difference. If you are selecting this one, if you are selecting repeat, this is the difference. If you are giving that particular character, give it in double quotes always. Otherwise, cell means there is no double quote. You see, any cell I given double quotes? No. Only if I giving character, then I will give in the double quotes. This is a function we are using in the text function. We are using in the exercise number 1. So find exact equal. Equal, what is the difference? There is no formula. There is no case sensitiveness. So it will check only the characters. Length will give the how many number of characters available there, or find the length of the particular word or character. This is repeat, R-E-P-P, repeat. So that's all this.